Okay, it's October 29th. Yesterday I drove this car around after sweeping about 18 inches of snow off of it. This one, somebody guessed from yesterday's video that it's a 300C. I think that's a remarkable guess. It is in fact a 300C. There's the Rover. I think we've probably seen about upwards of 36 inches of snow so far in the last 36 hours. I'm about to plow the driveway for no reason really other than to go up and down the driveway a few times because the highway is just packed powder and dangerous and we don't need to go anywhere. I'll be out here for a few hours just keeping the driveway clear. We'll see you soon.